Namaskar. A lot of you struggle with dry skin. It can feel like no matter how much you moisturize, your skin is constantly dry. Dry skin is very common, and a medical term for dry skin is xeroderma. Let's understand what causes dry skin. Dry skin happens when skin loses too much moisture. Skin thins and sweats less with growing age. So, older adults often have dry skin. Other causes of dry skin include living in dry desert climate, jobs that need frequent hand washing, bathing too often with very hot or very cold water, skin conditions such as eczema, and cold air. The most common signs of dry skin are a feeling of skin tightness, skin that feels and looks rough, itchiness, itchy skin, cracking skin that may bleed, chapped or cracked lips, skin that is rough, flaky or bumpy. Today, let's make a full body skin care routine specifically for dry skin. We will create a unique lip balm, hair oil, body oil, and face moisturizer that will give you long-lasting hydration for dry skin. Let's start with hair oil. Dry skin often leads to dry scalp, which can lead to flakiness and irritation. We will make hair oil that nourishes deeply without clogging pores. Here are the ingredients you will need: argan oil, almond oil, neem leaves, amla powder, and a few lavender buds. To make this deep conditioning hair oil, heat the argan oil, almond oil gently. Then add neem leaves, amla powder, and lavender buds. Let it sit for a day or two to infuse. Then strain and massage into your scalp. Almond oil and argan oil are perfect for dry skin because they are lightweight, still moisturizing. They will not clog your scalp and will still moisturize it. Amla powder brings shine and strength, while neem is excellent for soothing any dryness or itchiness. Lavender adds a calming aroma and has soothing properties for the skin. Now let's make some natural lip balm. Lips are a very delicate part of our skin. They often show the first sign of dryness. Cracked lips can even indicate a need for deeper hydration. So, let's make lip balm that protects your lips from painful cracks and chapping. You will need organic mango butter, jojoba oil, a pinch of saffron, and a few drops of rose hip oil. Melt the mango butter until smooth. Use a double boiler if you want. Once melted, stir with jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and a pinch of saffron. Pour this blend into a small container and let it cool. Use it throughout the day. Studies show that mango butter has excellent potential for skin protection, wound healing, and skin repair. Use this lip balm for a luxurious feel, deep hydration, and a natural protection. Now let's understand a deep moisturizing body oil. Dry skin all over the body can be really uncomfortable, even itchy, especially in colder months. For this body oil, we are making something deeply hydrating and perfect for daily use. Let's see what you need. Avocado oil, apricot kernel oil, a few dried jasmine flowers, and a few drops of organic frankincense essential oil. Mix the avocado and apricot kernel oil. Add the dried jasmine flowers and let the oil infuse for a few days. Strain out the flowers, add frankincense oil, and then you have a truly unique body oil. Avocado oil and apricot kernels are excellent to moisturize a dry skin. Jasmine flower brings subtle calming aroma, while frankincense essential oil has a restorative properties that rejuvenates and softens dry skin. After a shower, apply this oil generously while your skin is still damp for best results. This habit will end all your dry skin problems if you practice this regularly. And finally, let's make a face moisturizer for dry skin. Our face is constantly exposed to pollution, again, dust and harsh sunlight. All this can make it very dry. This moisturizer is light yet nourishing, perfect for everyday use. The ingredients are kokum butter, rosehip oil, tiny pinch of manjista powder, and a few drops of saffron infused water. To make this, first take a bowl, mix the kokum butter and rosehip oil together until it becomes smooth. Then add manjista powder and saffron infused water. Apply this moisturizer every morning and night. Kokum butter absorbs quickly, make it ideal for dry skin. Rosehip oil has a high content of vitamin A and C, which helps brighten and hydrate your skin. Manjista supports skin clarity, and saffron brings a subtle glow to your face. So that is your whole body skincare routine for dry skin, made completely with natural and organic ingredients. These nourish your dry skin from head to toe without harmful chemicals. Try them for a week continuously and see your skin transformed. Namaskar.